Zorb football is one half soccer, one half bashing your opponent in a bubble suit. KCAL9's Emily Roseman takes a look at this wacky new craze.
It might look like a friendly game of soccer, but a new sporting craze is sweeping the United Kingdom, giving traditional football a run for its money. Zorb football, a take on the conventional soccer match, has players suiting up in giant inflatable balls. Once the footballers master getting their uniform on, the Zorbs act as giant bumper balls as players crash into each other without getting hurt.
It's more about taking the opponent out, and if you score, it's a bonus.
As players knock their opponent down, it's not so easy to get back up again, meaning less players to defend their goal. And Zorb developers say the twist on the old classic means much more fun on the pitch.
There's not many rules, so it's a bit better. It's a lot better, to be fair.
With its beginnings in Scandinavia, Zorb football tournaments are now taking place across the UK.
It's not even hit the surface yet, is it really? So as soon as you do more proper football tournaments and people get more involved, then that's when it will start getting bigger.
While Zorb football hasn't reached status worthy of a World Cup,
It's really, really fun. It's a good way of playing football, running into people, just having a good laugh, really.
players find the game a fun spin on the original sport.
Well, there are few or no rules. Players just do whatever they can to score.
Oh my gosh, that's hilarious.
It looks
Yeah, I would
fun.
try it.